look at this video, it has watermark. Look at this one, it does not have watermark. And guess what? It is the same video. Yes. So in this video, I'm teaching how to download videos, any TikTok video you like, without that annoying watermark that will be flying up and down. Yes. So fast, so clean, and for free. Say most of it is for free. I don't need any application. So let's start. So first, go to your TikTok application and download the video normally, so you can see the watermark I'm talking about. Yes. Okay. So let's download this video. You hold it down and it brings save. And you click on what? Save. Then it starts downloading and it starts counting. It all depends on your network. If your network first, quickly download. Can you see downloading? Can you see it counting? So let's wait for it to download fast. Okay, it has downloaded. So now let's test it. We'll go to photos. Yes, I'm using a Samsung phone, so it's photos that will go to. If you're using iPhone, you still go to photos too. Yes, and see the video we just downloaded. You play it. Okay, this is the video. Yes. Do you see the watermark? This is the watermark I'm talking about that annoys me every time. To be fly up and down. Like, most people know how this way download the video. Must they know? Show more than money. So now how do you download a TikTok video without the watermark? That's what I'm about to teach you. Yes. So you go to your TikTok application and press the video. Error. Go to your TikTok application and pick the video you want to download and press the send icon. Copy the link. Then minimize your phone. Have you copied the link? Then go to your browser, either Opera Mini, Chrome, Safari, any browser that you like, and search for snaptik.com. Then you wait for it to load. It takes you to the Google this thing. You just pick the first one. You understand? You pick the first one. You don't need to swipe down. You pick the first one. Then it takes you to the website. And what? You will paste your TikTok link there. And click on download. Then you will see that download video HD, download video with application, download that video. So I will pick download video so that it will get downloaded automatically. All those download with HD is always high quality and needs to contain more space on phone. Yes. The best is just to download normal video. Yes. So after downloading it, that's it. That's how to download video on TikTok without the watermark. That's the simple way. Yes, you don't need to download any application. You don't need to download any application. So now let's start test it. We'll go to our photos in our phone. You see the video we just downloaded to be on that download. So let me play it for you so you see it has watermark. Did you see it does not have watermark? That is it. So there's a video that has watermark and that's one that does not have watermark. That's a simple trick of how to download video from TikTok without watermark. So I hope you understand. And if you have any question, you are free to ask. Kindly feel free to ask questions in the comment section. I would answer. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my next video. So I hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next video. Because you must go and watch my playlist. Yes, go and watch my playlist. And I still remain Boluvibes. Bye. Jesus Christ, the last one.